Okay, yesterday was definitely an interesting day in the market. We were up, we were down big, we were back up, we were down somewhere in the middle. We bounced up a little into the close, still down. We're seeing end of the quarter. We discussed painting the tape. We discussed the fact that that's what the market really is doing. Was doing yesterday. New month, new quarter. They were able to book their historical quarter. Everybody's happy, la 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 la. Futures down this morning. Why futures down this morning? A couple of reasons. First was, basically profit taking, over the quarter. Second, numbers came out on jobless. Initial claims came out higher. Continuing claims came out lower. I was explaining to everyone in the room here before. The idea of continuing claims is it's a misnomer. It's kind of a joke. The unemployment numbers, everybody knows at this point in this country, are a fallacy, because it doesn't include anyone who is not actively looking for work or people unemployed for too long. They're considered habitually unemployed, and they're considered not looking for work even if they are. The number is, I think, 18 months. It was 24 at one point. I think they moved it to 18. So basically, when you see initial claims, that's everyone who just got laid off. Okay, we understand that. That number's high. That's growing every single month. But when we talk about continuing claims, that's where it gets interesting. Continuing claims, Dave, can you shut that? Continuing claims are, a measurement of who is still collecting. Now, if you're pulling people off every 18 months who are no longer on the list, and our recession is now basically 18 to 24 months of bad job numbers, which had gotten progressively worse, then we're pulling off large numbers of people every single period to replace them with what's a smaller number than it has been on its highs. So yeah, continuing is going to start to slow down. Is it really slowing down? No. So that's something we should keep in mind. Let's just talk about the market a little today. We're down about 3 handles on the futures. Just a moderately lower opening. What's the market going to do? There's going to be selling pressure in this market at some point today. ISM is coming out at 10 o'clock. That's a big thing. We had Chicago purchasing came out yesterday, and they leaked the number, if everybody remembers. So the market fell 50 points before the number came out, and the market fell basically another 75 points or 80 points after the number came out, right? We're kind of betting on the fact that ISM should not, make their number. If Chicago was off by that much, I think it was 46, then ISM, which is expecting 54, probably shouldn't be able to break 50 or 52 anyway. Should be weaker, as well, and I'm expecting them to sell off. The question is, what are they going to do first? As we're approaching, a move up, we don't really see the market having enough strength, at least in their initial move, even if they take a leg up, to go up anywhere, up 20 maybe, flat to up 20. That's probably all the juice they would have, even with a good push initially. At 10 o'clock, you'll have the number. If the number is bearish, goodbye. They'll probably pull it back down. They'll test 96.59. If the number's really bearish, they'll break right through 96.59, and the bears are going to be in control of this market. If the number comes out and it's bullish, then what it's going to become is a question of whether or not the market can hold, basically, let's call it, 9,700. The market needs to hold 9,700. Truth is, it really needs to hold 97.38. Roughly, it needs to hold at 97.30s and see if it can pull a leg up from there. If not, you're still going to have the same issue where the bears are in control and trying to take over the pressure. So again, be a little cautious off the open. The closer we get to flat, the better the short. Right? 2 minutes ago, we were only down 2. Now we're down 4 again on the futures. So the market's really having a bit of a struggle or tug of war to which way it's going to go. I'm still obviously more biased to shorting this market, initially, than I am to going long. Even though I know that there's going to be, a potential leg up, I'll take an initial position to add to that second position, knowing that my upside's not so high. And the main thing is going to be to play that ISM number and try to get on the right side. Good luck. I wouldn't get too busy before 10 o'clock because of that.
Derarira, derarira, derarira.